Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 9 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. Hello, we will now show you our oil collector, TW2081. The funnel of the TW2081 from TWIN BUSCH is height adjustable and can be extended from a base height of 1 meter up to 1.6 meters. There is a removable drip grid inside the funnel, on which the drain plug and oil filter can be placed. All openings in the tank can be closed with ball valves. The fill level of the tank can be seen on the riser during operation. If the tank is full, the oil can be disposed through the drain hose with the help of compressed air. The pressure relief valve protects the tank against overloading. The TW2081 can hold a total of 70 liters of used oil before it has to be emptied. And if you should be near one of our branches, please pay us a visit. We are looking forward to meeting you.